Lounea is a 130 years old telephone company from southwest Finland. We have transformed ourselves as a fiber network company, building the digital infrastructure in Finland. And on the services side, we are an ISP, an MSP, and a cable TV operator. Lounea Wi-Fi service is basically the full service of the Wi-Fi at home. So we take care of everything. We can take care of the installation of the equipment, and after that we guide you through the journey from the beginning to the use of the service.
TP-Link is the biggest vendor of Wi-Fi routers, and we invest a lot in R&D in the Wi-Fi area. We were actually the first one out with Wi-Fi 7, and we already now have prototypes for Wi-Fi 8 in our labs.
When we started to look about the vendor space that could provide us the service we need, we early on saw that the TP-Link will be a good fit because of the reliability of the devices and also the comprehensive portfolio.
Agilnet is TP-Link's ISP solution, where the ISP, the partner, can customize everything from the gift box to the hardware and the firmware.
Here we have a Wi-Fi box, and when we choose TP-Link Agilnet, we wanted to make sure that the packaging is sustainable. We want to ensure that customers receive a premium experience.
Having local people in the Nordics make us understand the local differences in a better way. And during the implementation project, we work really closely with the ISP so we get all the details right, both the technical and commercial. And we also offer sales and support trainings, including also local field engineers.
It is very important to get guidance and help to use the TAUC system. We need support for firmware updates and utilizing the TAUC features. Those are very important things that we get support, very good support from TP-Link.
Agilnet have cloud-based management system, so the ISP can remotely support the customers. It also have an AI engine, so it constantly improves the Wi-Fi experience in the home. And also, the customer have an Agilnet app, so they can by themselves constantly monitoring the home Wi-Fi and improve the experience.
Agilnet hardware allows high-quality Wi-Fi performance in every house and for every customers. Lounea customer has been really satisfied for the service.
At Lounea and TP-Link, I think we share the same target for the future as that the Wi-Fi at home will become as a platform for future services, whether those will be like cybersecurity services or smart home, etc. Our slogan that we are using in consumer base is mutkaton digiarki, and that roughly translates to uncomplicated digital living. And that is something that we are pursuing, of course, with this service also.
A key takeaway is working closer together. ISP bringing their expertise in broadband and connectivity, and TP-Link bringing their expertise with Wi-Fi, creating a joint solution.